Imagine unlocking a world where your iPhone isn't just a phone, but a gateway to endless possibilities. That's exactly what's happening with the iOS 18 update. This isn't just another software upgrade, it's a revolution in your pocket. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of this groundbreaking update, exploring features that transform the ordinary into extraordinary. So grab your iPhone and let's embark on this exciting journey to discover how iOS 18 is setting a new standard for what your device can do. Before commencing our video, ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell for forthcoming content. Now, without any additional delay, let's dive into the video. New features. The iOS 18 update is packed with new features that will enhance your overall user experience. Let's start with the new focus mode, which allows you to filter notifications based on your current activity or location. This means you can set your phone to only show notifications that are relevant to the task at hand, such as work or exercise, or when you're in a specific location, like at home. Another new feature is the live text tool, which uses machine learning to recognize text in your photos. This means you can now select and copy text directly from your photos, making it easier to search for information and share content with others. Apple has also made improvements to existing features, such as FaceTime. With iOS 18, you can now share your screen during FaceTime calls, making it easier to show someone what you're seeing on your phone. FaceTime also now supports spatial audio, which creates a more immersive audio experience during video calls. Privacy and security. Apple's unwavering dedication to user privacy and security takes a significant leap forward with the iOS 18 update, introducing innovative features that put you firmly in control of your personal data. At the forefront is the App Privacy Report, a groundbreaking tool that offers a transparent view of how frequently your apps access sensitive information like your location, photos, microphone, and camera. This insightful feature empowers you with the knowledge to make more informed decisions about the apps you trust and use daily. Additionally, the update introduces Mail Privacy Protection, a robust feature designed to enhance your email confidentiality. This function effectively shields your email activities from prying eyes, preventing senders from discerning if and when you open their messages. It also conceals your IP address, adding an extra layer of anonymity to your online presence. These enhancements in iOS 18 are a testament to Apple's commitment to prioritizing user privacy and security, offering peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Performance and battery life. The iOS 18 update also brings improvements to performance and battery life. Apple has introduced a new feature called on-device speech recognition, which allows your phone to recognize speech without needing to connect to the internet. This means you can use Siri and dictation even when you don't have an internet connection, which is great for those who travel frequently or have limited data plans. Apple has also made improvements to its app library, which is now faster and more efficient. This means you can access your apps more quickly and easily without having to wait for them to load. In terms of battery life, Apple has introduced a new feature called optimized battery charging, which reduces battery aging by reducing the time your phone spends fully charged. This means your battery will last longer and perform better over time. Device compatibility. In the ever-evolving world of technology, staying updated is crucial, and the iOS 18 update brings this opportunity to a wide array of iPhone users. Remarkably, this update extends its reach back to the iPhone 6s and models that followed, ensuring that a significant number of iPhone enthusiasts can experience the latest in Apple's software innovations. This inclusivity is a testament to Apple's commitment to longevity and sustainability in its products. However, it's vital to recognize that not all devices will support every new feature that iOS 18 has to offer. There are technological limitations based on hardware capabilities in older models. Therefore, it's essential for users to consult the compatibility list provided by Apple to understand which features their specific model supports. This approach ensures you have a clear idea of the enhancements and new experiences you can expect after the update tailored to your device's capabilities. So that's it for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding what to expect from the iOS 18 update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next video.